No, 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 no. Pretty. Stop. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my princess girl. Look, you wanna see yourself? Look, there you are. See? Who is that? Who is that? That's my Sarah in her hairstyle this morning. Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. And my princess is just admiring herself. You have a new hairstyle? Yay! Say good morning. Say good morning, my battery's gonna die. Say good morning to the rest of the fam bam.
Good morning, the rest of the fam bam. It's a brand new day. It's Saturday, a weekend, and we start early.
Early. You have something to say. So, Tyler, your turn.
Wagwan.
Look up.
Wagwan.
Right. You guys, we're heading out to the supermarket real quick to get some shopping done. So we are early start as usual because we don't got time to waste. So let's go. You ready? Yes? You're so cute. You guys, supermarket went so fast I didn't even get to vlog. We didn't know how much, we just pick up and out. Finish shopping and heading home to give you guys the amazing supermarket haul. So let's go. Stop cars. One more. Joke, go on. Skinny, stop! Die! Skinny, stop running.
Hi guys.
I'm donkey. I'm donkey.
Oh, you saying wait at mama? You guys, we just got back from the supermarket, so it's time to do the
Vlog.
Supermarket haul.
Vlog.
Sarah is so done for a nap, and I can't find Sarah's camera. I don't know where I put the camera, so I don't know if she fall asleep or she's still awake. Anyway,
Supermarket haul.
let's get into the supermarket haul, shall we?
And this is the favorite what I
No,
love.
it's not my favorite.
I love it. I can sleep with it. That's Tyler's favorite. That's tissue.
Let's go.
Ooh, I love it. You know, it's orange like that because of Papa.
You love it, but guess what?
What?
It's not for you.
I know, but I love it because you say that I can sleep on this, and it's not true. So like that, I can use one orange and throw it on you.
Alright guys, what we have here, we
Let's
have
go,
some
let's go.
sweet potatoes. It's
I'm
all the
going
opposite
to
of
throw
Tyler.
all the food on
Come,
you.
let me help.
Really?
Yes.
We have some apples.
No, it's a ball.
We have some balls, Sky. We have
More balls.
more balls, lettuce.
And this one is
This one is pure
Apple
cauliflower.
juice. Apple juice.
Oh, you took this new?
Apple
Or you
juice.
just didn't know what you took?
It's not apple?
No, it's sweet and strawberry. Sweet
Frizz,
and
banana,
apple.
pois. Oh my god, I didn't realize.
When you just let one things, when you trust and give your trust to your wife, just to get one single thing and she fail.
Mama, you fail.
You believe, Papa?
Yeah.
Well, Tyler, you're gonna have to eat that, so I'm gonna try new things. That's also good to try new things.
Ty, it's the same thing. It's just like have 5 different fruits.
You have
That is too much.
you have strawberry. You're gonna test it, okay? Otherwise, we're just gonna give it to Mama.
When I taste it, I throw it right
Give
away
it to
on
me.
Papa.
This you
No,
didn't
you
take
never
it, so
throw
it should be
it.
the right one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Salad.
It's cereal.
No, it's salad, not cereal. Salad.
It's your fault. It's your fault.
That's
when you
salad.
say that. Alright.
Oh, this is
What you need to do is tell Papa
salad.
what's healthy and what's not.
Tell me what is it in Jamaican, okay? What is it in Jamaican?
What we call this in Jamaican? Broccoli.
Broccoli. That's
Broccoli
what
with
it
a
is.
broccoli.
It's
Broccoli.
healthy.
Broccoli.
It's healthy.
It's healthy broccoli. That is
Sweet.
that is for Sarah. We have some
This
broccoli.
is sweet.
What is this, Stella?
Sweet.
Apple juice. Apple juice.
It's
What is
sweet.
this?
Is salad.
Healthy.
You guys didn't hear me speak French in the supermarket today, which I normally do.
You
They
speak
like when I
French.
speak.
Oh, you speak French. Okay, let me speak French. I'll try to speak French. Let me.
Yes. Stella, did that-
Cereal. Cereal. Alright, what else do we have here? We have some macédoine de légumes. We have some legumes in the
Stella,
tea.
stop.
And why you think that?
Because I want tasty. I know it tastes like SHIT, but I still want to try.
Shoot the bull
Stop.
cell. How you got that?
Brussels sprout.
Bust. Just the English name funny. I can't help. Sorry. You English have a funny way to translate the vegetables.
When you talk to your son, 1, 2.
Right, so what else do we have?
Don't do that again. Stop.
We have some bread. Bread.
You hurted me, Stella. Stop.
We have some nuts. I don't know what kind of things is with it.
1,
Exotic. Exotic. Let's see if babe, when she take new thing, let's see if she eat new thing. Because she's the specialist. She take new things, but I have to finish them.
Go ahead.
I just test it.
Everything is healthy.
So you take the big pack. I just
That's why you take a small pack. You realize it's a small pack?
Happy biscuit.
Happy
Sweet.
biscuit. It's the happy
Is
biscuit.
it healthy or not
happy.
healthy?
This is very healthy.
No, it's sweet.
So sweet is healthy?
No.
Oh no. We have some hot dog.
Sweet.
We have some biscuit.
Healthy. This is sweet and this is healthy.
You think it's healthy when
Yes.
you have a mayonnaise and ketchup and all of that? You think
No,
ketchup is
it's
healthy?
bread
Stop
story.
shouting.
It's just the bread.
Yes.
The bread is healthy.
Yes, bread is
And the
healthy.
sausage is healthy.
Yes.
And the mayonnaise is healthy too.
No.
Oh, we have some
Ella,
crab. We have some wrap
Baby,
meat.
so hold on. So here, look how the tables turn. He said me to take comfort and I said him to take wrap. I take the wrong comfort and he take the wrong wrap. I don't buy this wrap. I don't eat this wrap. We buy wheat wrap.
That's called
No.
natural
No.
wrap. We have some.
Well, that's called mixed yogurt. Comfort.
Oh.
So let me see who is going to blame now. Who you going to blame for this wrap?
You?
Where is the
No,
wheat
that was
wrap?
the only one there.
Mama,
What's the only one there?
stop. win,
And you
rock,
look
paper,
different.
scissors can continue.
Okay. And that was the only one.
Papa
Was
knew.
Lie.
Papa knew.
Lie. Lie. Did the round round.
Mouchoir.
I
Then you
just
have to rock,
realized it.
paper, scissors.
And we have crepe. You want to play rock, paper, scissors and the one lose don't eat no crepe?
Yes.
You want to do that?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Rock,
Paper, scissors.
I win.
And
You
then-
win
okay,
again.
another one.
Yellow.
Right. Scissors.
I win again.
Alright, let's stop. Let's stop.
Papa, that take the bigger.
You should have cheered on me.
That was a good play, Rock and scissors. You know what I
Alright guys, we have some sweet peppers. We have some Oasis. Oasis is a
Because
French brand.
Because he thinks I'm going to take
We have
Rock
some
again. That's why he
apple
took
juice.
paper, and I think
We have
he was
some
trying
apple juice and
to know
orange
if
juice.
I was trying to take Rock, but I take scissors. Like that I can cut his hand.
Good thinking, you outsmart.
Alright, you want to play another one?
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, cut.
Again.
Rock, paper, scissors. Ah! Rock, paper, scissors. Alright, let's go.
One more time.
Alright, after Tyler. Alright guys, we have some yogurt. I have to take extra yogurt for Sarah. Sarah love my yogurt. So I decided that I'm not gonna share my yogurt anymore. I'm gonna get a new brand yogurt for herself. Let's see if it works. We have some yogurt for the entire family. The entire family love yogurt. We have clown from the family. We have some barbecue stuff. We have some, they look good, but they are just a little bit. I hope you take another one. I hope you take at least 3. That's expensive though.
That's oxtail.
Oxtail
How much more?
expensive. That's
7?
7 something for this little.
And there were only 2
business.
packs, so of course I clean out the aisle.
Oh, you took the 2 pack.
Try to be careful.
Okay. Alright guys, we have oxtail for Sunday dinner. And of course guys, you know that we eat dinner on Sunday at 1 p.m. We have meat, we have ham for today for lunch. That look
Oh,
good.
whenever, maybe dinner.
Maybe dinner. We have sausage for the hot dog. We have chicken. Chicken is good. We have some nuggets. We have some breast. You wanted breast? You felt
Breast
breast?
is best, isn't it?
Breast is good.
Breast is best, no?
Breast is best.
Breast is best.
Uh,
No? Yes or no?
We have
Yes or no?
some
Breast is best,
white
yes or no?
fish. I prefer white fish.
Papa, you buy 2 yogurt.
We have some white fish.
You buy 2 yogurt.
And that's it. So what we
You
have?
don't hear Tyler ask you a question.
Yes, Tyler.
You
He
have
said,
to.
did you buy only 2 yogurt?
No, I'll take another one. You hide it. You hide it somewhere.
You know, he made it like that.
We have a little clown in the house.
So hold on, where's my yogurt?
Your yogurt is here. What else you think I missed? I remember that you made the list.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end
That's
of
all. I'm hungry now.
Mama,
You're hungry, which one?
I'm buff.
Mama,
I'm hungry.
Mama.
Mama?
Now,
Mama?
you and Papa need to do rock, paper, scissors. The one that will eat food. The one that will eat no food. Okay?
No.
Come, let's see who wins.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah!
No, you cheat. You cheat.
What you mean not cheat?
Yes, it's see.
Cheat.
What you mean not cheat?
Now do it again. Do it again.
We have to
do
do
it
one
again.
more. No, I'm not supposed to be behind you, sir. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Wrong.
To go on the
Let
seat.
me eat my egg. Let me eat my
Mom, I'm not
egg.
sure if you're going to eat that egg. If you lose, you won't eat no egg.
Last
Why are you hesitating?
What last time? I left do rock, paper, scissors.
Give me my glasses.
No,
Eat
both
egg.
of us.
My glasses. We need to take a
Both
box
of
picture.
us clean. Both of us clean. Papa, let's do rock, paper, scissors, both of
The
us.
folder that happens around here.
Bang! Bang!
Me have to sit down and beat you.
Bang!
I can just see Matt School playing this with his friend.
You want too much. You want more than
Anyway,
that.
you guys, alright, finish now, finish. There we go, guys. The food that happened in my house.
Yeah, well,
Hopefully you guys
family.
enjoy the supermarket haul, and we're gonna keep quiet now so Sarah can take her nap properly without hearing her voice. Alright.
Mama, I could buy something to eat. That's not done. Sorry. Sarah.
The kids in their tent playing. J'ai faim. Hmm? Je ne mange rien.
Tu as mangé la barre de céréales et la crème?
Non, je mange pas le bar de céréales.
Oh, tu as mangé un petit peu ça.
Donne-moi s'il te plaît
Tu veux quoi?
le cereal bar. S'il te plaît.
Okay, if you beat me at Pierre first scissor, you get it. Otherwise,
Non, 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 non. Ah, you throw it to me?
yes, I did.
I'm a cat?
Yeah. Kitty?
You're not that kitty.
Said I'm a
She's not
kitty.
that kitty. She's not adult.
Well, end of conversation. There has been a chill day. When I said chill day for us, we are doing nothing. We did nothing all day, and that felt good. I'm in the kitchen right now though, making some dinner for the fam bam. We bought this ready-made ham from the supermarket. Let me show you guys. So this is the package that it comes in. It was just €5, and it have 3 beautiful ham pieces in there, which I just need to warm and eat. So to that I'm making sweet potato and some Brussels sprouts for babe and I, and then Tyler says he wants rice, so I'm cooking a little bit of white rice for Tyler, and that will be dinner for today. What's wrong? She been super clingy today. Well, she been super clicky. Come up, up, up. Look at her climbing up. Come up. Only when she want me, she calling, you know, mama. Look at her. And Tyler, full of energy as usual. Can't stop, won't stop, ever stop. Be careful you hurt your sister. And she's here talking. Sarah, what are you saying? You're telling Tyler no, 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 no. Tell Tyler no. Sarah, tell Tyler no, 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 no.
I have so much energy.
Oh yes, you have too much energy.
For your birthday, instead of
You guys, my birthday is coming up in a few days.
And I have
birthday
no idea what we
Wednesday. So whenever you see this vlog, it might not be Wednesday as yet. I think when you see this vlog, it will be Tuesday. Yeah, so my birthday is tomorrow.
Instead, Mama, instead of a birthday cake for you, it will be some ice cream.
Nah, I don't want no ice cream. All I want for my birthday is a cheesecake. You know Mama love cheesecake.
Mama,
That's all I want for my birthday.
Mama,
And dress up and go for lunch. So there you go, and dress up and go for lunch. I'm not gonna say dinner because
McDonald's sell nice cheesecake, so you can go McDonald's for lunch and then having a cheesecake.
And you think I would cry? I don't have a problem going
No,
to
you
McDonald's.
just say you wanted a salad.
If you take me to McDonald's, all I want is a salad and cheesecake, and that's it. I'll be satisfied with that. Because my favorite salad comes from McDonald's, and I love McDonald's cheesecake. So I'll be good. Go for Tyler bowl, carry come.
Mama.
Yes, Tyler. So what I did, I just cut up some seasoning, onions, sweet peppers, garlic, and I put some olive oil in the pot. And I'm just gonna saute those, but because they're very soft and squishy, they'll be easy to mash out. So I'm just gonna saute the seasoning first, and then I'm gonna throw the Brussels sprouts in, girl. And I'm gonna warm these hams right now because everything is basically ready. And dinner will be good. Dinner will be good, good.
What's your dancing, Mama?
When I'm dancing, that's my happy dance.
Why is your happy dance?
Because I'm happy. Alright, you know. Let me see what I want. What I want? Over here, so.
What I want,
Now I'm
Mama?
gonna throw in the Brussels sprouts, yeah?
What I want, Mama?
Now I'm going to one boy, and I'm gonna put a little bit of powder seasoning on it. Use it.
Okay, Mama.
And I'm stirring that, and the ham is ready. And the ham
And I'm
is ready.
serving up.
You guys wanna hear what he just whispered in my ears? No, not this time. Alright. So that's the flick on dinner. Ham, sweet potato, and Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout.
What broth?
Brussels sprout for the husband. Husband, can you set the table for me, oh?
What?
So we can go and eat our Brussels sprout.
What?
And that's what's for dinner today.
What?
My African sisters and brothers, don't be offended. I just love the African accent, huh? I love the African accent. My favorite accent is African and Trinidadian. Well, patois is a natural. I love it because it's my accent.
Give me a knife.
But
With the French accent.
but hear this man do. You want me to get all night? Make you eat with your tour? I love the African accent. I love the African accent. Let me see if I can do the Trinidad accent. How Trinidad accent go again?
You know.
my sister, baby father is Trinidadian. How they talk again? He goes, hey boy, give me the beer, boy. Something like that.
Mama.
But I love the Trinidadian accent. Yes, Tyler?
What you are do?
What ya do?
What you do?
Yes. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop my food and gonna enjoy my dinner. Who's she cussing out? Look at your neck, pork bone. Look at Sarah making a Della rice. Give her some. Put it in her mouth. Lord have mercy. By the time she finishes, all of it's gonna be on the floor. Body wash. Body one, body two, body three. Forty-one, 42, 43. Yay! What you doing? What you just say?
Je parle pas anglais.
Je ne comprends rien.
Je ne comprends rien.
How are you no wash it? You think they have your pretty look?
Yes.
Ow!
So why do you have to scream like this?
Because it hurts.
You do it scream properly.